boy Firelegal here, back with another video, and today we are playing bike riding. No, well, not playing, recording. Well, hope you guys like this video, and with us today, we have a very special guest. I give you someone who just hit themselves in the head, probably. Kevin.
I did not hit myself in the head.
Oh yes, he did. So yeah.
Okay, yes I did.
We're gonna be riding. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah. Oh, we want to tell you a funny story. This is the second time we're recording this because last time I was an idiot and put it on time lapse.
It's an idiot. Wait. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's some pigeons.
Hey, pigeons, you suck.
Bird. Bird.
Bird.
Squawk! Wow.
Squawk, boy.
Run after him, Kevin. Oh, he didn't even get to start. But yeah.
Whoa, big boy.
Let's get our helmets on.
I found their king.
Let's get our helmets on and let's go.
Let's go. I did not hit myself.
You guys are already on my dirt bike. We might get another camera angle. I doubt it.
I doubt it.
So yeah.
Maybe not.
Yeah. So let's do this. Let me check that it's not on time lapse. I gotta make sure.
Don't make it on time.
It is not on time lapse. We are good.
Good.
Okay.
We are good, we're good.
We are going to turn on the bike and we're gonna reverse real quick before we go. Let me just reverse. All right, guys, once again, sorry for the noise. Let's go. 1 second, guys. You good, Kevin? What happened? You sick? Oh.
was fun.
What?
That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
2 times. 2.
All right, so
Oh, this fell off again.
first things first.
Probably when I fell.
I probably should have said this.
Got hurt.
Probably should have said this at the beginning of the video. But yeah, this is part 2 So yeah, we have an idea for another camera angle. I thought that it would be a good idea if we put it on Kevin's bike, so you guys could see like what I'm actually doing.
And then next
instead
time,
of just seeing it from my point of view.
And then next time we'll do it on his dirt bike and me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time we'll have the camera be on his dirt bike, and yeah,
I need to go to the
Kevin tipped. That's why we had to turn back.
I need to go to the
He actually kind of hurt himself. Show the camera. He got a little cut.
The littlest cut.
The tiniest cut, but he still got a cut.
It didn't really hurt. I felt nothing.
And yeah.
Nothing.
We also might go on this Jackrabbit Trail.
Yeah.
We're also gonna practice a little bit more because
I fell two
Kevin
times.
tipped.
No, I did 2 times. 2.
He tipped twice. So we're gonna have to, we're gonna have to
If you guys were on my camera, guys,
yeah, apparently I went like uber high. If you guys can see that on the video, please show me. Like, I'll see
I
it.
saw that. He went like,
Yeah.
This is the ground. No, this is the ramp.
Yeah, so here's what I did. I went, this is the ground, and this is the ramp. It goes up, and then I went,
Yep.
and then landed. Some guy came by and said, nice jump, so that's a cool thing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.
I get a couple nice jumps.
He did a couple nice jumps. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below whether like new camera angles, places we should go with the dirt bikes, because it's really fun.
Wait, guys.
But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Wait, guys.
Wait.
I need to go to the bathroom at the same time as the other one.
We did not need to know that. But yeah, we gotta go. See you guys next time, and peace out.